This is a 92 with 1999 axles, a 92 engine, transmission. It's running on a 96 Grand Cherokee wiring harness. It was really rusty. It was in pretty rough shape, as you can tell from the floor. We used to be derby car drivers, so we're using a gray area slap shifter with neutral lock, with park lock, excuse me. Some of our wiring, battery tie down isn't done. Radiator in the rear, trans cooler, it's not mounted yet. He's just been out trying it out to see how it works. It has a 4-linked rear end. Of course, above mounted fuel cell, fuel tank. It's a work in progress. He's got a little ways to go before we actually go try it out. He's been playing in the yard, seeing what he can do. It's been pretty good so far. Remounted 3 of the doors yesterday. Got an upper cage on it and interior. It's not finished yet. We got to finish the windshield bars. Caging around the motor. He's got to get his hood on it. Then we'll see how this goes. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.